fantastic. So, as you remember, neck and shoulder, we started learning by more the position of our, where the therapist position. So you can do it from the opposite side. Yeah. You can do it from above, either this way or that way, and then you can work on to the same side. Yeah. Hot stones, it's quite the same, but now the stone will be different. So I will start actually showing you more the technique, and then once you're feeling comfortable with the technique, you can do more the position, where you position yourself from here, from there, or from the opposite side. Okay, so first, the stones now are quite warm, so when you are starting, put it on to high. Yeah, oops, this is, yep. Put it into high. Now, just a warning, when the stones are higher, are very hot, you may need some place to cool them off. And the best way to cool them off is the back. Why? Because it's straight, it's kind of big, and you have a lot of surface to warm up. So if it's getting too much here, you need to do it in another place. That's the back. Okay. So I will choose quite a small stone. Now, the next stones are more kind of chubbier and more smaller. So it will fit into more that neck and shoulder form. Yeah, it's not a straight, big area that you can use large or small effleurage. You need a smaller stone. Drop it in water. Now that's hot. That's hot. Okay. I will choose still hot stones, and what I will do, I'll start showing you the turning. Okay. You need quite a lot more oil. So actually, that's the movement. Now, it may look easy, but to do that quite fast,
easy to see.
Okay, may take time. Now, it's only warm, so I can start now, and I need to flip it once in a while. Okay. And again, I need to flip it. So the flipping is where I feel that the stone is too warm. Okay. So really, the technique you have to control is the flipping. And actually, something like that. If the camera can see it from the side, what I'm doing is doing that. And that. Yeah. Now, if you're opening too much, it's going to be quite hard. So keep it cupped. Keep the cupping like that, and the stone going to be kind of like that. Yeah. If this is the skin of the client, yeah, maybe you can start to practice this way. Yeah. Okay. Now, if it's too much, do it with two hands. Yeah, but it should be okay, because next one I'm going to show you how to do it with two stones. So that will be quite hard. Okay. Okay, this stone is now, it's interesting because smaller stone get quicker. So I will just drop it in a second. Okay, now I can do that, and okay, I feel it is too hot, so I go into here, and I give it a bit of a go, and I still turn it. It's almost like you try not to panic, because if you panic and stop, then
you're gonna burn it.
Yeah. So take time and do it slowly. Do it slowly. You will have what? Maybe 5 years, or actually I do it a lot more. sort of few years to get it right. So, you know, and you will get it right. So, okay, I feel it's a bit better. I can now start working in here. So what I can do, remember this technique? Yeah? Good. And I need sometimes to actually change the position, so I can do it here. I need to flip the stone, so I can do it here. Work all the way to the suboccipital area, all the way there. And then even the area right to the side of the spine. Yeah, so you're working from above, sorry, from the opposite side. Yeah, really shift your weight, really nice, from one leg to the other one. And you can really lean into it. Yeah, good. And then you can come from above. And if the stone is too hot, you see what I'm doing? And I'm bringing it to the other side. So you kind of distribute the heat. It's all about heat distribution. The hotter the stone you work, the better it is. You can give more therapeutic heat, but you try to avoid burning yourself. Okay, good. And then it's quite it. Yeah. You can do the tilt here, especially the upper back. The more you're treating people, the more you would realize that a lot of the neck and shoulder problem arise from upper back really tight. So what I do, I go on to the spinous processes, yeah, the spine. I go to the side and actually move the spine a little bit. I'm actually on the bone, on the side of the bone. So if these are the spinous processes, I'm just pushing them, and by doing that, I push the spine and all the deeper muscles around. Now, I wouldn't recommend you to do it with a stone because you're on the bone. But what you can do is you can do the tilt onto maybe, say, a finger from the spinous processes, so about here. Don't go over the spine too deep. Of course, you can do that, but it's quite superficial, yeah? Okay? So you can actually tilt that and work onto that area this way. There are many, many different ways. You can even work this way, yeah? Okay, so the most important thing is the gliding, and it's not easy. You need also to oil the stones quite good. Yeah, oil the stone quite good. Start slowly. Okay, warm stone only, not very hot. And then second stone, you can build it. Third stone, I'll give you a bit more time to practice. And quite a lot of oil. Okay, so that movement. Okay, how's the speed of teaching? Is it okay? Do you want to see anything else? It's okay?
I think they will need to see it again.
Sorry?
I think they will need to see it again.
Of course. Of course, you will. You will. So maybe just if you can be in this group now, okay, to help also. Fantastic. Good. Let's start, shall we?